Hello. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome here if you are new. I am Daquana White. I bring you plus size fashion content as well as lifestyle and beauty content. Hopefully you guys can hear me okay because I am recording this on my iPhone instead of on my MacBook. So I hope the volume is okay for the voiceover. No worries. I will not be talking this whole video. I just wanted to come on and do a slight introduction for you all. A lot of people question, a little bit of frequently asked questions. I'm not going to get too much into it because this video isn't that long, but how often do I wax? I wax every 2 to 3 weeks. Sometimes in the winter time, fall and winter, I might wait around, 3 to 4 weeks. I might prolong it a little bit more because this is my hibernation mode. These are the months where I like to hibernate and just kind of lock in with work, and I'm more so isolated and by myself. But for the most part, on average, 2 to 3 weeks, I wax my face. For my underarms, I kind of prolong that a little bit more as well, but the more you prolong it, the harder it is to pull those strips, especially if you're pulling it by yourself. So I will say I'll try to start doing my underarms with every face wax or every other face wax. Another question I see, as a woman, why do you grow hair? I pin it in the comments all the time that I do have polycystic ovary syndrome or PCOS. There are a lot of women who deal with that. And for some of those women, we do have a side effect, I guess you would say, which is called hirsutism or masculine, or what do they call it? Like a masculine pattern hair growth or just an excessive amount of hair growth. So, yes, there are so many things when it comes to PCOS. And like I said, I don't want to prolong this introduction. So I will talk about it more in the future because, I do short form waxing in the shorts. If you guys see me, hey, and I don't really do too many long form videos, but I would like to be more informative for you all because I know a lot of people have questions outside of the people who are like, oh my gosh, this is gross. Why are you posting this on the internet? You're doing this all for views, all for this. Guys, like literally, this is something I personally started. I used to use razors. Then I started using Veet because Nair wouldn't work for me. Then I tried Magic Shave. Yeah, I tried that. Those things literally had my hair growing back the next day, if not the next 2 days. And also irritation, hyperpigmentation, a lot of ingrown hairs, a lot of itchiness. And whereas when I started waxing, I was going to European Wax Center. Shout out to my wax lady. I loved her so much. And it was hard at first to let the hair grow out. But now that it's so used to growing out to a certain length and being waxed, it's kind of on a regrowth pattern. So, a lot of people are like, well, how do you let it grow out? Literally, if you wax, when I wax my face, when it grows, at this point, am I talking the whole video? I'm sorry, y'all. But no, literally, I'm about to wrap it up. But when I wax my face, it all starts to grow back around the time where it's next time to wax. So I waxed about maybe a week and a half, 2 weeks ago, and I can feel like hair is coming in right now currently. So with that being said, all of your hair starts to grow at a certain rate, certain speed, and sometimes with waxing it can slow it down, almost sometimes to the point where you no longer grow hair or it's really like far and few. So just keep that in mind. I have not looked into electrolysis or laser hair removal. That is not for everybody. I don't know if it's for me or not. It's just not anything that I have looked into. I do see that comment a lot. And I think that's pretty much a lot of the FAQs that I got. I will, again, talk about it more in the future. But in the meantime, go ahead and enjoy the rest of this video. Every product that I use, I will tag it down below in a description. I literally use Trust Wellness Wax, pre-wax spray, post-wax spray. I use their lavender or their purple wax. My wax warmer is on 170, which is like usually between 165 and 170. And at the end, I usually use a Hirsutism oil along with sunscreen and a brightening serum. And that is like my whole wax routine. So again, every product that I used, I will link it down below for you all. But I hope you all enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Go ahead and enjoy the video now that I have talked through half of it. It's a skin tee or period. All right, it's a piece of hair, but period. Okay.